To manage Trust Wallet fingerprint login, start by ensuring your device has a fingerprint sensor and that you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed. Open the Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Settings menu, usually found in the top right or left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Security or Lock section and select it. Here you will find the option to enable fingerprint login. Before you can use fingerprint login, you will need to set up a password or PIN for your Trust Wallet account. This is an additional layer of security to protect your wallet. Once you have set up your password or PIN, you can enable fingerprint login. You will be prompted to scan your fingerprint, which will be used to authenticate your login. Make sure to scan the same finger each time you log in for added security. To add an extra layer of security, you can also set up a backup password or PIN. This will allow you to access your wallet if you are unable to use fingerprint login. It is essential to keep your backup password or PIN safe and secure. Best practices for managing Trust Wallet fingerprint login include using a unique and complex password or PIN, keeping your device and Trust Wallet app up to date, and being cautious when using public devices or networks. It is also essential to regularly review and update your security settings to ensure your wallet remains secure. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely manage your Trust Wallet fingerprint login and protect your cryptocurrency assets. Remember to always prioritize security when using cryptocurrency wallets and take necessary precautions to safeguard your funds.